everybody? I hope you're having an amazing afternoon. I did some wizard shit. So sometimes I just have a thesis. I did get a little lucky on this trade here. I had a sized up Tesla put position that expired tomorrow, and when right here when this drop happened, I was like, huh, that's a bit interesting. And then I see the news feed flash through Tesla to recall a bunch of vehicles. So yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram or on Twitter, you guys see what the gain was. It was kind of fucking ridiculous. I had a lot of Tesla contracts, guys. Like I did do a little bit of dumb shit here, so we will go over this in terms of trader psychology and how to avoid some of these things. If I had just done the normal entry at maybe one of these 5 minutes or traffic lights or this 1 minute traffic light here, which was absolutely filthy, $5 move on the way down. Again, I mean, you guys see how powerful these traffic lights are. If you're not coming into our platform for 2 weeks for free, I mean, there's something wrong with you at this point, but that's okay. The link is at the top of the live chat. If you guys do want to hop in, it's 2 weeks completely for free. And again, guys, as you're filtering in here, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algos. That makes sense. Well, makes sense. But yeah, so all right. Keep running up the likes on the stream, team. Don't be a slacker. But let's see. So I've been basically staring at Tesla all day long. I haven't eaten lunch, guys. I haven't eaten anything today. Like, this is the problem. Like, this is why I say I don't trade crypto or futures, because I'll just sit here and just not do anything else. So I got distracted by Tesla today, ended up fucking nailing it. So we'll see what happens. I mean, the chart was telling you, if you're looking at this on the 5 minute and you see, this is textbook reversal strategy right here. This move on Tessie, like right here, as soon as you start to see this in this RSI break, that's textbook reversal. You could have played it down to here. This move was just icing on the cake. This was the lucky part of the move. This wasn't. This was textbook reversal. This little pop up here, a little bit of nonsense, but then you get that nail, like you nailed it back to the downside. So that was a good one. Up 4.3% on the port today with SPY Tesla coupang calls this morning. There you go. Saw SPY overcooked 412.89. Had to take a put call with 5% of my port, riding it down. And boy, this is the third time Tesla bad news coming clutch to save your puts. It's kind of what it did to me too. Like it was, I'm not gonna lie, guys, this trade, little lucky. YouTube didn't say I was live. Guys, make sure you have notifications turned on. And a little bit of housekeeping before we continue here. Make sure that you guys, all of you lurkers out there, are signing up for your 2 weeks for free. I'm not gonna say what it is yet, but you're running out of time to get it at this price to get access to everything. I'll put it at like that. Everybody that's already in, nothing changes for you guys, but everybody on the outside that's very curious about what we're doing, be careful. You might miss the deadline. So team, the link is at the top of the live chat to come in for your 2 weeks for free with the Trade 1348 platform. And all of you guys that do want to upgrade to the 3-year to get in on the masterclass this weekend, where we're going to kind of finalize everything on the 1 minute here. Reach out to Diana before 4 p.m. She will get you guys in there. All good to go with the upgrade. And or if you want the lifetime payment plan where you get delayed masterclasses, you pay for 10 months and then you're done. Also reach out to Diana too. Woo, Jesus, bro. Honestly, dude, Tesla just like stressed me out today. 125% for the day and done. What, bro? Oh, I mean, guys, you see the printing that's done of our community every single day here. You have to be almost a little bit of a moron if you're not at least coming in for 2 weeks for free, guys, completely for free. But yeah, keep hitting that like button on the way. And you guys are slacking a little bit. Google Traffic Light is paying me handsomely. Attaboy, Jeff. Yeah, I mean, dude, these moves on Tesla here. I was actually on the phone with Gabe for this because I was in it back here. And we were on the phone and he had calls and I had puts. And I was like, wait, why do you have calls? So I'm down here trying to get a fill. He already was in it from a while ago. So he's like, if it breaks again, I'll just sell it. So it pops up to here. He's like, I sold it. And I'm like, oh, fuck, this could be bad. And then it just goes near death candle. And then I murder it too. So Gabe and I just both manhandled Tesla. It was awesome. But I was trying to get a fill here to just get the fuck out. And then it just didn't let me do it. And I was like, well, that's unfortunate now. And then boom. What's the deal? What do you mean, what's the deal? What's the deal on what, my good man? What would you like to know the deal on, sir? Oh, with AMC? Oh, it's garbage. After Ape, that's just theft. Ape kind of killed everything. And if you're like, wow, you really switched up. No, told you guys the day it came out. And everybody hated me for it, which is fine because I ended up being spot on correct. And all I was doing was trying to help. Let's see. Let's see. Is Bullard speaking yet? 10 minutes, we get Bullard. 10 minutes, we're going to get Mr. James Bullard. Also, Spy's been a real fucker at this 1 minute 200 all day long today. Let's see. Crazy how the market rallies on bad news. I mean, we were talking about that this morning where it's just like, like we were kind of expecting this move up here. Did I trade that? What the fuck? I've just been so focused on Tesla today that I literally forget what I traded this morning. I think it might have been Nvidia. Maybe. Nah, Bullard's at 130. Whoa, did I fuck this up? I'm pretty sure Bullard's 130. All right, guys, 9 legs away from 50. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's get after it today, team. Up 17.7% on the portfolio for the day and done. 1348 winning loser. You're a monster. So here's the deal. I've been trading a little bit smaller just because I'm trading with shorter times to expiration, and I'm like, if I sized it a little bit higher, I'd have a lot more fun. But at the same time, it's like the risk is higher. So like I was sized up on Tessie there. Which again, it wasn't fun for a while, and then it was really fun for like 20 seconds, and I was done. Which don't take that out of context. So all right, Spy skewing around. I mean, yeah, this is nasty. Yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. Dude, we posted the Michael Jackson thing. That video's hilarious. Dude, winning loser. Where's Arvind? I don't know, man. I don't know. This day was like, I was up like what, 1%, and then I was fucking around with Tesla. Like, oh, the traffic lights got you another 12% on Spy today. 42% total today. Officially done. Really, for real. Jesus, bro. Yeah, guys. Again, make sure you're hopping in for 2 weeks for free. You guys are crushing it. Is it swing season after this week? It might be. We'll see. This just in. SUV was scared of Tessie, but then had a lot of fun. Yeah. Where can you find the Michael Jackson clip? On Instagram, bro. I posted it on Instagram and TikTok. Fuck you, Tesla, you asshole. All right, slip into, I mean, not new lows, but this was lower than where I sold it. I think I ended up selling them here. So I had to stop. Wait, I think my stop was at like 50%. Have I heard from Squirrel lately? He was in here like last week, I thought. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Hard for the 9-to-5ers right now. Yeah, you got to wait. Like, here's the thing with swinging that you got to be very careful of. You can't always be in swings, guys. You have to treat, like, swing trading and day trading are very different. You read the charts the same, but the opportunities for swings are going to be fewer. So it slows a lot of things down if you're able to manage your risk appropriately. But what you guys need to understand is just because you're seeing a bunch of things fire off doesn't mean that you should take them. Because you could put your money into the market and expect maybe to be in the trade for 2 or 3 weeks. But it's in general with where we are in the market in the news cycle. Like, okay, maybe we have CPI the next day. Maybe we have a Fed meeting. Maybe we have PPI. Like, there's a lot of other things that you have to like be aware of in the market. So it's always going to be a little bit better to wait. That's why you guys don't see me swing very much. Like, I do sometimes and we nail it. But the reason why I'm able to nail these swings is because I'm very, very particular as to when I'm actually going to be looking to swing. Right now, what are we at on the SPY? 411.78. Where's the cuck zone? 410. It can go either way from here. It's really, really, really 50-50. So I'm not really all that jazzed up about swinging right now. But we'll see. We'll see. The 1-minute traffic light alerts, dude, those are going to be sick. So everybody's getting 1-minute traffic light alerts coming up here soon too. But yeah, guys, again, we're here to help. We honestly, dude, we're here to save you guys from all the bullshit that's out there. You see everybody printing over here. Let's see. Spy swing put for 5% on the port in 3 seconds into open. Yeah, exactly. I mean, that you got a little lucky with that, but I mean, good for you. You basically just played data. I might treat myself to some food. I did it last night. I did did I tell you guys about the Chick-fil-A deal that I did yesterday? So there was like I don't know if it was 40% off. It was something. It was like some deal. And I saved like $18 on Chick-fil-A. And I'm going to try to do it again tonight at this other place. This is so good. And I also didn't eat lunch. I haven't eaten anything today. So I'm kind of fucked right now. Watch us get to the end of the stream and I'm just like slumping. Oh, RS, people who are being led to the slaughter to becoming bag holders. Ha ha. You know how much money we make over here, bro? It's fucking ridiculous. You're literally coming into a 23-year-old, like a wildly successful 23-year-old stream and is like, who's actually watching it? Like, what do you think that you're accomplishing here? I don't understand. I sit here in my pretty nice apartment and I just trade and make money in front of you guys all day long. Do you really think that your little silly comment changes fucking anything? You're one of those people that's just going to continue to get led to the slaughter. It's all right, bro. It's okay. I mean, I can help you. If you want help, I got you, bro. I've been helping everybody for the last year. I'm the only person on my YouTube channel that has an interview of one of their people becoming a millionaire. But that's okay. If you want to sit here and just be like, oh, you're the bad guy. Fuck, whatever, bro. Like, come on now. My 50% gain. Where is this? On Instagram? Yeah, it's on there. It's like 78 or something. I don't make millions in a minute. But if you tell me that I can get more food for less cost, I'm fucking all in. 20% on the port for the day. Yeah, let's show this dum-dum over here. What are you guys up in terms of percentages on your ports today? How are you guys doing today? Trade 1348 gang, let the people know. Let the people know. Let's actually see over here. I want to record this. Give me like 2 seconds. All right, go for it. Ready? Go. Let's see them, team. How'd you guys do today? How'd you guys do? Say hi to Instagram. Say hi to TikTok. 42%. Oh my God. Say hi to, Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, team. Look at these. Look at these. Dude, absolute Prince City over here. Look at this guy. 162%, Nico. Jeez, bro. Dude. Murdering team. Murder. Good shit, guys. Oh, $162? God damn it, Nico. All right, Tessie coming back down. Oh, Spy finally slipped below that 1 minute 200 there. Ah! In the play now, tell you in a bit. There you go. There you go, buddy. Yeah, guys. Again, if you want to join us over there, I mean, you guys see how like killer Like it just speaks for itself, man. We're giving it away for you guys for 2 weeks for free. You want to keep following these other morons up there on social media that are like, woohoo, follow my trades any single time. It doesn't matter who the fuck it is. You send alerts, you're hurting people. It doesn't matter. Oh, but we focus on education. Humans are lazy. Here's a great fucking example of this. Ready? All of you guys know in this live chat here. Ready? This is such an unbelievable example. And like I'm very rarely wrong about these psychological things. Ready? All of you guys in here, you know that following other people's trades is a really stupid idea. But what have I said? Humans are always going to take the path of least resistance. Okay. What happened a couple days ago when Gabe forgot to turn off the stream? And you guys heard him going to buy NVIDIA contracts when he thought his stream was turned off. What happened? I saw people start to try and buy it. Humans are always going to take the path of least resistance. That whole scenario right there is exactly why we will never do the follow trade nonsense. Because we know how you'll react. And it doesn't fucking teach you anything. It doesn't. Hey, Vix, how are things going? Good. I murdered Tesla. 1348 should be in high school curriculum. Yeah. Did that actually happen? It did. That's when I called him. That's when I called him and I was like, you're still alive. Because we know how human psychology works in the market. We follow the system, not the trades. Right. I still saw some of you do it though. And that's what goes into the what I've been saying is humans are always going to take the path of least resistance. I can give you the best strategy in the world, but if I also say, just come follow my trades over here, you're not going to give a fuck about the education. You're just not. Your video yesterday was great, but mine was better. John, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, guys, the 4-hour and daily traffic light video is out now on the channel. Do they have paper trading clubs in high school? They do. I mean, it's not like a club. I took like a econ class where we had like paper accounts for like investment portfolios for like a month and a half. Obviously, I slaughtered everybody. So, I mean, it's like, guys, I've been doing this since I was 14. Nerd. Thanks. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way, and you guys are big slackers today. Well, worse things could have happened when you forgot to end the stream. Well, yeah, that's true, but you guys have to think about it like this. It's like anybody that's doing that is automatically doing you a disservice because you will never actually focus on the learning if you have that crutch. That's what it is. It's a crutch. Bro, I was too busy trying to get laid in high school. Clearly, I chose wrong. All in video willy-nilly. Please don't do all in nonsense like that. But you guys have to understand, like, I'm not just talking out of my ass here. Like, I know like, you guys know it too. It's either you're going to actually do it for yourself or you're not. 0.31 today so far. Not bad. Not bad, Ryan. In high school, you had diarrhea. Well, I had the worst stomach flu of all time when I was a freshman in high school. But it was interesting because it was during wrestling season. So I lost like 7 pounds and I was like, fuck yeah, this is what we should do more often. You're rocking, bro. Thanks for everything. My only losses now are nothing to what they were. Fuck yeah, Phoenix. That's the goal, man. That's the goal. There was at one point today where I was not looking great. Now, I mean, you guys see the portfolio gain on the day now. I'm fucking done. I gotta not. It was a little bit of intuition on the trade and then a little bit of luck with the news. That's pretty funny, Vix, isn't it? I also had to wear those 2 ankle boots. Bullard's about to speak. Nice. Helping beginners, when you look for contracts, what spread do you look for on the 1 minute? Algo. That's not like a normal question. The time frame is not going to change the spread. What's up, Daily Bread? How you doing, buddy? Would you say the afternoon is better for the 1 minute traffic light strategy? No, I wouldn't say any of them is better or not. It depends on the day, though. I do like the morning. Hey, SV, I have an issue. I bought into Mara because people said Bitcoin is breaking out at 25K and we crashed. Let's see here. I'm about to go on a fucking crazy rant if that's the case. Oh, we were talking about Mara yesterday. I mean, it's still fine, but the thing is why in the almighty motherfuck are you listening to people on social media? By the time you hear about it on social media, guys, you're already too late. Simple as that. When everybody's talking about something, it's too late. Sorry, I'll look for the reversal. But guys, you have to get, like, having social media in the financial space is great for information. It is fucking terrible because most people are completely stupid and they will group together and say these things and everybody will start to regurgitate it in this stupid echo chamber. And then you all lose. And then you do it again. And then you all lose and you just chase. But what you don't realize is that the very fact that you guys would all think that you're in the same trade together, when it's time to go, you're all fucking each other over. And that's what people don't understand. Like, let's say this. There are like Discord communities of like crypto people, some good, some bad. But if they are all based around one token, crypto or whatever, every single person in that community is at odds with each other. Here's why. The people who are in it first and bought it first want more people in it to then sell it to them. And it just keeps going. So when they need to sell, they're selling it to other people that they think are their friends. They're not. This market is not a nice place. You got to get that shit out of your system. Please. Fucking Jesus, my mouse just died too. So now I can't even get this. Hold on. This is going to be interesting. You're going to see full screen mix for a bit. It's not so much a Ponzi. Like, it is, but it isn't. Like, the thing is, though, is everybody knows. So it's not a Ponzi. It's a game of who's the greater fool. It's not like a Ponzi because they're not taking money and giving it to other people. It's a game of who's the greater fool. That's what it is. How was that giant watermelon drink? Oh, we can talk about that. So the giant watermelon drink so my buddies and I wanted to do something yesterday. So there's a bar club deal kind of near me. And I was like, all right, cool. We'll go over there for a bit. Because I always think to myself, maybe some of the people that are usually at the playground are there. And I'm like, all right, well, I'll go see some people. We get there. My buddies are sitting at the bar. And they go, oh, tequila. I'm like, yeah, obviously. I'll have a little tequila. Just a little tiny bit. And then go home. I was going to be there for like a half hour and then go home. What ends up coming out is a giant cut in half watermelon with drink in it. You guys don't know this about me, but I don't like pulp. I also don't like mixing fruit with things. I don't like limes in my drink. Just give me the damn tequila. I don't want your fucking lime. What am I, amateur? So we ended up with this giant watermelon that we had to share at the bar. And I was like, guys, I literally couldn't think of a more soft drink that we could have ordered. But it was funny. It was pretty good, though. Not going to lie. It was pretty good. Breakout levels, I wouldn't do that, Daily Bread. I would just play the momentum with the traffic lights. I would just play momentum with the traffic lights, Daily Bread. I live by them. You have to make a clip of that story. We'll get Arvind over here. With other men? You don't kiss your boys, Jeff? You don't like do a little funny business with your boys? Oh, fuck. I mean, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. But seriously, guys, stop listening to bullshit on social media. Like, you're just gonna get led to the slaughter. Like I say every fucking day. It's hilarious. I say this to like all 2, 3, 400 of you guys every single day, and people still do it. Stop. I'm telling you, and I'm showing you the correct ways to make money, and you're like, but this guy said, fuck that guy. I don't give a fuck what he says. I've said this before. Jesus could come down and say, buy this. And I'm going to say, I don't care. I'm still going to look at the chart and do my own analysis. Because if you don't know your reasons for entering, how the fuck are you going to know to exit? Probably never Apes of Wrath. After Ape, it was done, bro. Just like I said in all those videos and streams. Just made 40% profit on the first trade. There you go, bro. There you guys go. All right, guys. Again, remember, hop in, man. Hop in. You want to, again, this is way different than anything that you guys have ever seen. 2 weeks for free. There you guys go. What, Sal, what are you talking about? That's what you got? Good for you. I hope it works out for you. Has Jesus ever steered you wrong? No, it's just like a statement. It's to make a point. That if you guys are going to sit here and listen to people on the internet to make investment decisions, just don't do that. On what, Robert? What the fuck did you do? See, Robert, I've seen your messages before. I know that you're just saying nonsense because you have some sort of distaste for me. I don't care, really. I know you probably didn't lose 5K. It's okay, though. Like, I've seen your messages before. And you're like, oh, I have to go get a job now. If you lost 5K, dude, you would have had a job fucking anyway. 5K is not changing your situation. What are we up today? See how the dust settled over here. Nice. Nice, bro. I recently signed up and I love it here. First trade got 10% on the port. Shift tricky. There you go, man. Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of fun around here, man. Sorry, it was me. I took Robert's 5K and used him as exit liquidity. Oh boy, Matthew. Hey, who knows? 3.3% port gains today. Easy money. There you go. Wayne, I hope you're kidding too. How many trades can I put down in a day without doing a good faith violation? Well, technically as many as you want, as long as it's with settled cash. You can do 1, you can do 20, you can do 30, as long as it's with settled cash. Then you're good. Then you avoid the good faith violation. But like, see, the thing is good faith violations are pretty much fake. Oh, I've got another short form video for you guys. How to avoid PDT. What were we saying? Yeah, like what do you call it? Good faith violations are kind of fake because like even if they restrict you, they just restrict you from buying anything with unsettled funds. So you're not like actually restricted. Depends on your broker, but like I've never really been afraid of good faith violations. PDT, you don't want to fuck around with that. On a single trade would be 100%. Yeah. Does Webull still charge fees for trades? It's very minimal. Market closed Monday. Charts finally clicked for me last night. Hey, David. The market will be back. What do you call it? So open on Tuesday. Vic's been with you and Gabe for a minute, but when you called out Ape, I knew you were a real one. Yeah, dude, it was a literally flaming pile of garbage the day it came out, and I was freaking the fuck out. I was like, no, 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 this is bad, this is bad, this is bad, and everybody was like, fuck you, I'm gonna come kill you, and I was like, no, 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 this thing's gonna go down. You're mad at me because I'm telling you, like, it's fine. You all saw what happened after. Why is the market closed Monday? President's Day. You can get like 4 good faith violations a year. It's 3. It's not the regulators, bro. Your brokerage just restricts you. The regulators aren't going to come after you with good faith violations. Damn, bro. This was... So usually, guys, I tell you guys this all the time. It's like I like when my trades are boring. Today, it was a very stressful / exciting day. Another 5% on SPY calls? Nice. Yeah, dude. That Tesla trade was just like... it was ridiculous, bro. Like, just, man, filthy. I kind of wish I held that whole position and just said, fuck it. Because I would have made, like, enough playground money for, like, the next year. But it's okay. Not a boring day. Bullard usually, yeah, Bullard is usually hawkish, especially with the data that we've seen. Is he said anything yet? I haven't seen him. Or I haven't seen anything. Let me look at the feed. I don't. Oh, let's see. Bullard, growth to moderate, unemployment to return to normal, more rate hikes needed to lock in disinflation. Yeah, obvious. Oh, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, this already came out. Economy growing faster than previously thought, unemployment below long run rate, and output above potential. Inflation remains too high, but has come down recently. Continued rate increases would lock in slowing inflation. Obviously, market-based expectations of inflation now relatively low. Okay, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. All right, keep smacking that like, team. Let's see what we get here. Bitcoin flying. I mean, you guys have been bringing this up a lot. It's a little cooked. I mean, if you look at Mara and Ride on the 4-hour, they're kind of cooked. It's not that bad. It means the market tanks. Yeah, but coming from Bullard, that's decent comments because he's usually very pessimistic about markets and the economy. So him coming out and saying like, yeah, we need more rate increases, but like we're kind of fine. It's like, okay, I think the market could take that positively. 10 to 19, that's a giant range. I'd say the combination of both of them definitely could. It depends though. Like, here's the thing, Nico. Like, it's not that I don't think that it can run in the right environment. I think that the habits and the mindset and the actual thinking that people have toward it is so fucking backwards to how you actually need to think in the market. That's what it is. And it's been like that for a while. So, like, can it go if the market really starts to, like, rip back up and meme season comes back? Yeah, fucking obviously it can. But the thing is like, is that something that you want to bet on? Like, I would rather just wait for, like, meme season to come back and just play the 4-hour traffic light to the upside and just okay, I'll just wait. Live, President Biden addresses the nation on Chinese spy balloon. That's interesting. Like, can it? Yeah, anything is possible. Could it fucking go down to nothing? Yes, it could. Could it run back up? Yes, it could. Anything can happen in the market. What do you think about DraftKings earnings and the potential upside downside? I think they'll do all right. I mean, here's the thing. I like those type of companies for the long term. I would just need to do a little bit more research into them, which I've kind of been lazy on. Like, I should do more. Because I did own DraftKings for a little while and then I sold it, but it was like in Penn. I had Penn at a low number. But I like them because I don't think gambling's going anywhere. I think the more states are gonna like legalize it, and I think you're gonna be good to go. But we'll see. I think that's more so long term, less swing for me. I mean, trading it, I don't like trading it just because of the price of the damn thing. But And Nico, the funniest thing is too, is that when I say those things, people then think I'm against them, but I'm actually the person that's the most for retail out of everybody because I'm trying to protect everybody from doing stupid shit in the market and losing money. It's just people are so backwards and they can't think. And it literally gives me like way less faith in like overall people that like you can't think, like people just can't use logic. And it's like, all right, man, it is what it is. Batman bought MGM, did he? Can you figure out what percentage move DraftKings is pricing it? Are they reporting today? If they're reporting today, I'll price it in for you. Let me see. Before open Friday. Aren't they? Hold on, let me look. Let me scroll back here. I'm trying to look. Come on. Come on. Oh, after close today. Cool. I'll pull it up for you guys. It's going to be a lot. Like, they're going to price in a lot on this thing. DraftKings, $18 stock. What's it at right now? $18.15. So, hold on. Let me do the math here quick. It's really simple math. But, like, what's the last? 104. They're pricing at 11%. That's crazy. That's why I don't play earnings anymore, because they all price in so much because the options market's kind of broken. Can't save everyone. No, you're right. You can't save everyone. Saved a lot, though. Ooh, hold on. What is this? Let's see. What's the SPY chart telling me? I mean, it could come down. It's just been a real fucker at this 1 minute 200 here, man. Like, it's been screwing around a lot at this level here. All right, guys, I have to run to the bathroom very quickly. I've been drinking a lot of coffee today with this, just staring at Tesla getting cracked out. But team, this gives you guys a little bit of time to make sure that you're securing your 2 weeks free before we raise the prices. So again, you get locked in at the current price, which is already about $30 a month cheaper than it was previously. So make sure you guys check that out. And again, we're 11 likes away from 100. So I'd appreciate it if by the time I was back from the bathroom, you guys ripped the numbers up. You're not going to get to the ankle threshold, but go for it. And if you missed that link coming through, it's in the top of the live chat. But I'll be right back in like 2 seconds. Give me like a minute. Dun, 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 dun. Hello. What's up, team? How we doing? Folks? Yeah, and for all you guys that are already existing members too, make sure you guys reach out to Diana. By the end of the day tomorrow, if you want to upgrade to the 3-year that you're in for the lifetime masterclass on Sunday. If you want the payment plan, you'll be getting the replay of this Sunday's masterclass next weekend. So get ready for that. These masterclasses are going to be filthy. Especially, guys, you couldn't run the likes up to over 100. We needed 9 of them. Damn, bro. What time's the class? 2. You need saving? Chris, hop in for your 2 weeks free. I will save you. What's the scoop on the 3-year payment cost? It's $13.48, so effectively you're getting 36 months from the for the cost of 19. James, what do you think? When somebody basically tries to steal our stuff and then basically tries to extort for 150K, fuck that, bro. No. Yeah, so you're getting 36 months for the cost of 19. And you get lifetime masterclass, and you get beta access to all the new products that we release. So technically, the 3-year plan is actually has the most value out of all the plans that we offer you guys. 2-minute spy versus 1-minute opinion this far. No, it's really good. There's a couple of things on the 1 minute that we got to go over. The 2 minutes interesting. I do really like the 2 minute, and there's a couple of other things that I gotta formulate how to teach you guys, but other than that, we're good to go. Does it come with a free car rental from Gabe? No. Can you send feet pics as a down payment? No. The only person who can send feet pics to people is me. So it's $13.48 over 3 years. No. That's the one-time payment one. So you pay up front. You don't have to pay for another 3 years, but you get access for 36 months. But at the current rate, you're basically only paying for 19. And you get lifetime masterclasses and beta access to all the new products that we release for you guys too. With the payment plan, you end up actually paying a little bit more, but you never have to pay again. But you get delayed masterclasses, but you don't get beta access. Let's see. Predictive daily broken. I would say, Lorenzo, watch the video that I posted yesterday about the traffic lights. And I'd say try those traffic lights out. But like small account, I mean, I would just day trade it. SLND this morning. I don't know. Let's see. If it's a penny stock, I'm going to be pissed at you. Oh, that's fine. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Oh, that looks weird. That looks very strange. I don't know. That's very strange. Oh my Lord, this Tesla move was just so beautiful. All right, let's see. What's the traffic light deal? Oh, James, it's this new indicator that we've built. So the best example of it, I think, is the one that I like to refer to all the time is Tesla. So if you look at Tesla on the daily and you look at these traffic lights right here, this one, let's say I'm being mean and you bottom ticket here. So this traffic light, let me actually do this for you. So what they do is they're reading momentum in the market. This was a 63% drop. This most recent one right here, I mean, you look at this one, it's a what? Oops, hold on, I fucked that up. I mean, these traffic lights are killer. And the best thing about them is they enable you to keep the risk really small. 63% move to the upside. They are nasty. Traffic lights are the truth. They are. They are, man. They are so I live by them. Like, I literally live by them. You can see this one, traffic light death, traffic light up. Like this one, traffic light down. This one, it still would have printed. This one printed. Like they all are just like, they're everywhere and they print like no other, bro. They are so filthy. 1.2% of the portfolio today. There you go, Josh Doe. Yeah, like I think I'm up like in the last week, like 10% just using them, which is not bad. 10% a week's fine. I just need more. I don't need more. I would prefer more, obviously. Yeah, he's going to be talking. They're probably going to be late though. But again, guys, if you want access to the traffic lights, remember, please don't go searching around on like TradingView or anything like traffic light indicator. It doesn't exist. We built it. So the only place for you guys to get them is on platform. But lucky for you, everybody gets that 2 weeks for free. You get this chart, and you get the traffic light alerts on the daily and the 4-hour. We're working on giving you guys the 1-minute traffic light alerts very soon as well, and they are instant, bro. So again, come in, test them out for yourself. See why everybody's printed with them. It's spreading like wildfire, bro, these traffic lights. So they're just marking higher, low levels? No. They're telling you when the momentum is shifting. They're not marking higher, low levels at all. No. The traffic lights are telling you where the momentum is headed. Like if I were to take this traffic light right here up on Tesla, what did I get on this retest, which is where we like to trade them? About 0.8% in the stock, $1.76 to the upside on Tesla, dude. That's a 30% trade right there. Maybe 20. I don't know. But like on SPY, that would have been filth. You can see them on SPY. I mean, today they were chopping around a little bit, but this one right here, nasty. So the beauty of the traffic lights is that even if they're going to invalidate, you're not down very much. But the ones that work hit big. When is the 1-minute traffic light alerts going to be beta for lifetime? Soon, Alina. Soon. Like NVIDIA, you got this one. You have this one down. You've got this one up. You got a little chop zone here, but you're basically not down at all. You got this one up. You kind of see it flash here, but it comes back up. I mean, you get chop in the morning. And then again, with the lifetimers, I'm going to show you guys how to use the 2-minute to keep yourselves out of shit like this. The switch up and down. Yeah, but it's nasty, James. Like, it's filthy. It's probably the best tool that retail has ever had access to. Like, I don't like, I see a traffic light and I know where the risk is. I'm slapping it, dude, every time. The risk is so small. If like, you got to watch the videos that we put out about them, but the risk, the way that we look at them is so tiny. Does it work on the 5-minute? Yeah. It works on Forex, futures, crypto, everything. Works on everything. It's a momentum indicator. So I like to trade it on the 1-minute. You can trade it on the 5-minute. The 5-minute one for Tessie, I believe, was pretty filthy here too. Yeah, you got these two. I mean, you would have gotten it on this candle on Tessie, this retest of the 13, but you still got like what, $5 of move down. So if I'm trading on the 5-minute and using a 5-minute traffic light, I'm usually I'm getting more time on it. With the 1-minutes on SPY, I'm getting 1 or 2 days to expiration. They're just dirty, bro. $120 likes, almost there. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Damn. Yeah, shift tricky. They're filthy, bro. They are filthy. Again, we just continuously just keep rolling out tools for you guys that are just, I mean, they're always helpful to make money. Like, and this is a really good one. I don't know, Clap. I don't know, buddy. We don't really care. I mean, the reason why people try and copy us all the time is because our shit works really well. Like, thanks for just confirming that our shit's the best by trying to basically just stare at us all the time. It's like, yeah, thanks, guys. We're just going to continue to crank with everybody. Let's see. Can you get TradingView Mobile? What do you mean? I mean, I've used TradingView Mobile. I don't like it very much, but it's not the worst thing in the world. But these new charts are filthy too. And everybody gets these for free in their 2-week trial. It's like, oh, you want to start imitating us? You literally just confirmed that everything that we're doing is fucking dirty after they were like, no, it's not good. It's like, okay, dickhead. Like, let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, guys, if you want them, the only place to get them, link at the top of live chat, 2 weeks for free. Do the traffic lights match or follow RSI or MACD? Nope, they're their own thing. They're their own thing. James, just hop in, test them out, dude. I mean, I can show you so many examples of like just like absolute printing with them, like the Delta trade that I had a little while ago. This one I was actually in. I don't remember if it was the daily or the 4-hour though. Might have been the 4-hour. Oh, that's the 3-hour. I don't want that. Yeah, it was this. It was this on the 4-hour that I played down. Just a little consolidation zone. You're seeing a couple traffic lights flash coming down to the downside. This one was over 100%. I'm actually still holding the free ones on these because I made it free. I was like, fuck it. I'll just have some free puts. But this was good. There were a lot of other ones. I haven't traded a bunch of them just like on the daily or on the 4-hour just because I don't really like swinging right now. But the 1-minute ones have been filthy for me. Just nasty. Like all those gains that are like 60, 70, 80, 100% that you see me post on Twitter and Instagram, that's from the traffic lights. Check out the video later today. Nice. So Gabe has one on the 1-minute. I've got one on the what do you call it? On the 4-hour and the daily. So make sure there's 2 videos. There's actually 4 traffic light videos. Gabe has 2. I have 2. Oh, speaking of the devil, what's up, Gabe? How you doing, buddy? Thank you so much for the super. Slaughtered the Tesla bounce from 209. Like killed it in a very serial killer sleep with your dead corpse kind of way. Oh, dude, Gabe, I was telling them, I was like, yo, so Gabe calls me and he says Tesla, and I just look at him and I go, I'm already balls deep in puts, and he goes, oh fuck, I'm in calls, and like while we were on the call, it like knifes. I'm trying to get an order filled, it doesn't fill, it rips like I showed you guys on here. Where is this Tesla? Where is this? We'll throw it on the 5. Yeah, it knifes to here, and this is where I'm trying to get out, and it rips back up. Gabe sells up here. We get this candle right here on the Tesla news. I take a screenshot of it, and I send it to Gabe, and I'm just like, Jesus, take the wheel, and it just knifes. I got my scale out, and then I rode like the remainder of the position up to like 70 something percent. I think I ended up selling them at 50%, which was really sweet. So Gabe and I both killed Tesla today. We just hit it on opposite sides. But Gabe, thanks for that super, buddy. I appreciate that. Oh, also, Gabe, do they know what the 10K account's at yet? Do they know what the 10K account's at? So Gabe did a challenge with the traffic lights in our 1348 method. He started with 10,000. And it's up to a crazy amount right now for you guys just following the system. Yeah, I don't know if he's told you the number. I'm not going to say it unless he does. I don't even know the exact number. I know a range. But I genuinely think he's going to turn it into 1 million with our system. Between 250 and 333,000. So guys, Gabe took a $10,000 account. I mean, he was trading a little aggressively, but like it's $10,000. He can do it. Using our system, the traffic lights. And how long? He started in January. It's February 16th. Now, I'm not saying that you guys can come and do that. But if you listen to the things that we tell you and stop straying away, I mean, you're going to have a higher likelihood of success. Yeah, in 6 weeks, bro. In 6 weeks. So here you guys go. There's that link. Come in for free. See why we're all having so much success. I feel like at this point, it's like Gabe's killing it. I'm killing it. All the members are killing it. It's like, it's just a group of winners over here, dude. That's the real deal right there. Yeah. Yeah, he talked about his trades earlier on the stream. But yeah, maybe there'll be a video out about it, maybe at some point. We'll break it down. Yeah, this was nasty. That bounce on Tesla, Gabe, if you played the 1 minute here, it's filth. This one right here, off this retest, we were just going over this one. This retest here is perfect. I have a paper account that's up 80% in the last week. I go live Tuesday. There you go, Cody. Yeah, dude, he turned fucking 10 grand into that range, the 200 to 333K. That's the range. Isn't that ridiculous? Isn't that insane? Like, come on now. Come on now, team. That's crazy. So, you want to be a part of the winning team? You want to continue getting led to the slaughter? It's up to you. Also, I do want that clip at some point of us talking about the follow trade stuff again, because that's incredibly important. It just confirms everything that I've ever said about it. 30 to 46% of the port after. So it was after I think he got above, what do you call it? Just signed up for lifetime. David Moon, welcome, buddy. Let's see. What were we saying? Yeah, so I think he started sizing it up after he switched it to a margin account. So then he could effectively make as many trades as he wanted in the day. Has he shown screenshots of the 10K account? Yeah, he has. Yeah, he has. I think the last one that I saw was 70 something. It was in the 70s. And then he went on an absolute fucking tear this week. Like, excited to watch these masterclass replays? Let's do it, bro. Seems like no more trades today on the SPY. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's just this 1 minute 200 has been a real bitch today. But yeah, then BX, I've seen the like, I think he had a 160% day yesterday. Like, he's just a wild boy. You guys are learning from the best, man. It's insane. He's the best trader that I've ever seen. I've seen a lot. He like takes the cake there. Let's see. This also brings up another really good point too. This also brings up another good point. So one of the main reasons why Gabe is able to run up that $10,000 account. Oh, Gabe, thanks for the super buddy. I switched to margin last week, but here you go. Playground money. Love you, kid. I love you more, dude. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. But one of the main reasons, and I want you guys to understand this and apply it to yourselves too, is if he's up 166%, you'd say 160K. No. He just told you guys the range of what that account's at. It's like 200 to 330 something. I don't know the exact one, but it's fucking crazy. But this is the point that I want to get across to you guys. One of the main reasons why he's able to do that is because the money doesn't mean that much to him. He's able to stomach more risk, and it enables him to have a clearer mindset when he's entering the trades. Because think about it like this. If his worst case scenario is losing 10 grand, he doesn't give a fuck about 10 grand. Now, you might think, well, that's not applicable to me. I can't just lose 10 grand. But you have a number. You have a number or a position size that enables you to sit back and say, don't really care. Just going to go into the market, do my thing, focus on taking good trades and not the money, because I don't care about the money. The money comes secondary. Making good trades comes first. So when you can clear your mind of all of the emotional bullshit that comes with trading by trading with an amount of money that you care a lot less about, it doesn't mean a lot to you personally, it allows you to make better trades and to run up your account. Simple as that. That's why they say if you're emotional, play smaller tickers. That's why I say all the time to you guys, size it the fuck down. But Tesla's forming an inverse head and shoulders. Who gives a fuck? You want to trade those retail concepts and just follow other retail and get fucked with by institutions? You guys want to see something really interesting? Okay. Let's go to SPY. Where is it? There's a spot where it looks like it's about to do a head and shoulders. Then it just forms another one and just keeps doing it. It's like all over here. Like it just keeps doing it. I will never trade with chart patterns ever. They can work, but you can't back test it. What are your favorite stocks to trade the traffic lights via the 1 minute? Tesla, SPY, Nvidia. Those are my 3 favorites. Ho 662. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Head, shoulders, knees, and ankles. That was a good one. All right, guys. If you wouldn't mind, as you're filtering in here, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps out with the algos, getting some more people in here. I mean, again, all you new people that have never seen these streams before, hopefully you guys are learning stuff. We talk a lot about psychology and getting away from the typical way that retail investors think. I mean, there's so many people out there that are leading you guys to the slaughter. This industry is a fucking cesspool. Let's see. Are you more biased than puts or calls in the market right now? Neither. I don't have a bias. This is like literally 50-50 in my mind with where we are at in the market. We could literally see this thing tank to 390 or rip to 430. Like you could go either way at this point, man. Like you really could go either way. Yeah, I think you might get a big move into close. But I mean, if you're looking at the SPY, the only trade was this one. This big one here. That Tesla move, dude, was fucking crazy. Making some money today with 1348 N2D2. There you go. Tessie getting ready to go again. Down? Yeah, maybe. I'm done for the day, bro. After that, I am done. Vortex indicator? No. I use our indicators that we build for our very specific purposes. Oh, you were bound. Oh, 662. That's an interesting mistake there, buddy. Dude, my phone is going fucking crazy with these Twitter notifications. Biden says he's taking steps that will lead to safer skies. So Biden says too risky to shoot down China balloons over land. Good thing it paid out, though. Nice. Don't the cows need to be led to the slaughter? Yeah, but not retail traders in the market, dude. Yeah, Tessie looks to be slipping here. So I hate the fact that there's still people out there pumping bullshit into your ears. It's like, it sucks, man. It really does that people think that like it's okay to like, it's so bad, man. Our indicators are better than anything out there. Oh yeah, there is. Like it's not even close. Yeah, another traffic light here. Not bad. That's an easy scalp there. If you wanted to take that one, good for you guys that hit it. It's quad witching. Is it? What's the 1348 situation on AMC right now? I'll tell you right now. You do have a 4 hour to the upside here. But you've just rejected the, what do you call it? The 200. So the actual play here is, if you wanted calls, was to play it off the bounce of this key level that we have here, or this 13 EMA, which it basically came down and kissed. If you're looking at it on the daily, it might be conflicting still. Yeah, daily's still saying that this thing's coming down. So 4 hours says that there's a little bit of more room to the upside, potentially to that 200. Or that's the 4 hour. The daily says it's probably coming down. That light was so nice on Tessie. Yeah, man. Yeah. Filthy. Again, traffic lights for the win. Again, you guys see it every single day. Every day, man. Every freaking day. Solar? That could get interesting, Rand. Yeah, so this point right here, I mean, you're probably up a decent amount on these Tesla puts if you're in them. There it goes. Oh, look at that. Wow, thanks, bro. What do you mean, Swami? Was that like a sarcastic thanks or like a real thanks? I think Ape killed the whole thing, but we will see who's right at the end of the day. Currently, STV a bunch, everybody else 0. Well, not true. Gabe called it too. 15% on paper on Tesla. There you go. What's the relevancy of a stock pumping on low volume? Could be short to get now. Nancy, what's up with Nancy? Nancy's got a nice slip here too. Dude, these traffic lights are so nasty. So nasty. Look at this. Spy at the 200 on the 1 minute again. Careful. I've been a trader for 16 years. I've burned so many accounts until STV. These tools are insane. Don't ever give up. Cody, I appreciate that, buddy. Dude, that's awesome. Thank you, man. I appreciate that comment. Yeah, I mean, we're taking over, man. We do things differently. That's why our members have such different results. It's awesome, man. That's awesome, Cody. Just impressed by how quick you can understand AMC. Well, it's any chart, dude. It's not complicated. That's the thing that we do, Swami, that like people don't seem to understand. We're not going to sit here and try and make you think that the things that we're doing are complicated. You need a complicated degree. You need a job in the industry to be able to do these things, because the reality is you don't. So when we make things extremely and incredibly simple for you guys, there's a reason, because everything is simple. What's complicated is managing your emotions, risk, and discipline. That's the complicated part of trading. It's not the strategy and reading the chart. It's not hard. I can do it on any stock that you wanted right now like this and just tell you where the higher probability move is. Does it mean I'm going to take it? No. But you know where the highest probability move is, and it's a game of managing risk so that you can hit those solid trades. Appreciate it, dude. Thank you so much. I'm telling everyone I know about you. Cody, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, well, Cody, if you're an affiliate, remember, you can get like 30% recurring commission on anybody that you refer. Algo's $50 port will moon before the meme stocks. Yeah, they probably will. You probably will. You've been checking all the time frames, buying further out calls and puts. It's like I bottom tick put buys and top tick call buys. It's because you're emotional and you're thinking like a retail trader. That's what it is, Chris. Chris, if you're not in there with us yet, man, get the free trial. If you don't like it after 2 weeks, you can just leave and not get charged. But there's no reason not to take that first step and just see what we're all about, buddy. And that goes for everybody in here. I mean, I'm trying to help you guys. Like every single day, we're here helping. Let's yeah, so for all you guys in here that's still curious, Let's see. I will throw that link in here for again. Shift Tricky says I'm still on trial and definitely not leaving. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. That's why we want to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, a trial period for 2 weeks. You guys can just come and see what we're all about. If you don't like it, you can just leave, bro. But you would do yourself a wild disservice if you didn't come in for free. You dropped the money on Lifetime, no regrets. Stumble on's dad. We appreciate you. You're never gonna get rid of me now. Dude, I haven't fucking eaten anything today. I'm gonna pig out tonight. Pig out. Ordering some more food after another killer day in the market, hanging out a little. I'm probably gonna take like tonight off and just rest, bro. I'll probably still make some more short forms for you guys. I mean, I have them all ready to go. I'll make like 1 or 2 more, and then I need like a fucking day to relax, bro. Like it got to like the time to go to the bar yesterday with my friends, and I was like, fuck, bro, I need a nap. No playground tonight? No, dude, I'm not going to a playground. Honestly, Thursdays would be sick at the playground. We got to work tomorrow, and I'm fucking tired. Might have to bite the bullet on it. I have great runs for days or weeks and then destroy your account in days. Chris, dude, this is the place for you, man. I'm telling, like, this is really, it is. I mean, again, it's going to be you at the end of the day that has to make that step to hop in there with us. But again, we make it very simple for you. 2 weeks for free. 2 weeks for free. And be careful though, because we are going to be there. There is something coming. I've told you guys, I've warned you about not getting left behind with these price increases. Everybody that's in now is going to get nothing changes. You guys will be locked in at your price, but there is something coming. So be careful, guys. Nothing's going to change about your current situation unless you take action. Every night could be a playground night, just saying. John, do you know how fucking expensive that would be? I'd have to be making like so much money. Like so much money to the point where I would like not do that. Like it wouldn't, and you'd literally have liver failure in like a month. Do you need the extra data subscription when setting your 1348 on TradingView? Yeah. Yeah, it's like it comes out to like $6 a month. Just trade better. Like Gabe money, I would have to. I mean, yeah, like yeah, honestly. Loving your chart indicators. Got to wrinkle your brain some more. There you go. Why did it give a put sign but go up on Tesla? What do you mean? Like right here? I mean, you got the traffic light back here. You already murdered it. Liver failure takes years. Remember, I've been drinking for years, team. This is probably not gonna like. If I did a month straight of drinking, 1, I would be in shambles. 2, I'd be in very, very, very like poor physical condition. Headed to a network event later on in 1348 will most definitely be talked about. Joanna, I appreciate that. Been looking back too. I corrected it and dropped the ball somewhere else, or I don't know. Chris, I'm telling you, buddy, take that step. You're not going to be disappointed, dude. You are not going to be disappointed. You know what I want, Chris? Here's what I want. I want, after you hop in, I want you to be the one of the 10 millionaires that we interview this year. We've already made 2 millionaires. I have 1 interview out on my channel already from the 1348 platform. And I want to make at least 10 this year. Yeah, 13 test rejection, right back down. See? But how do you like EMAs that keep you interested or ignore them? It depends on where price is in relation to them and how prices respected them previously that day. And it depends on the time frame that you're looking at too. Like I'll give a 1 minute 13 less weight than a 5 minute 13. Just there's more price data going into the 5 minute one. I'll be back for an interview. Fuck yeah. I want to interview all you guys. I know some of you guys are close, especially with these traffic lights, dude. I've seen your gains. It's fucking crazy. It's insane. Like, here's the thing, guys. Like, that's why I started off the video that I posted yesterday with just like kind of a thank you to everybody. Because did I think that we were going to be in this situation a year and a half ago where we were legitimately making people millions of dollars in the market? No. Because when we first started this, everybody was new and didn't have any idea what they were doing in the market. Like, it was all new traders. It was just Gabe and I trying to come in and help people. Now we have people that are getting up to our level of knowledge and emotional management and just overall trading knowledge, that we've just created this network of just killers in the market. And you guys are finally starting to see the benefits. Those of you guys who have been with us for a while and took that first step months ago are seeing the benefits of this, man. So it might take a little bit of time. There is a little bit of a learning curve, but once it clicks for you, like, a lot of people come in and they message me. They're like, dude, I know you like talk about this all the time and like you talk it up so much. And I was like, I didn't realize that it was actually this good. I'm like, yeah, dude, why would I talk about it all the time if it wasn't fucking nasty? Is Pythagoras down? Well, so we took off this Pythagoras to then put in the new Pythagoras once it's ready. We had to change the whatchamacallit, some of the way that it's trading. The day predictives are fire. It's just the way that it was trading was a little bit fucked up. So we're trying to make it start not so much trade like Rita, but sort of like Rita, because it's on the daily. Rita's filthy. I'll go. What's Rita up today? Oh, Mando reviews. What's up, buddy? Yeah, we're just updating the trading logic. I won't be one on bad luck, miss the good trades, and get caught in the chop. Randy, here's something that you have to understand. If that's just like I said to Tyler yesterday, if I hear any of you guys getting down on yourselves and saying, oh, I'm just bad luck, the market just goes against me, shut up. Stop. It's not how it works. Will you take bad trades and make mistakes? Absolutely. Absolutely, you will make mistakes. It is then your job to limit those losses, because with the system that we're teaching you guys with these traffic lights, dude, the next trade's coming. You can't get into that mindset of, oh, woe is me. It's not, but no, you're not going to get anywhere that way. You're not going to get anywhere that way. I'm assuming with traffic lights, avoid 0 days. I don't like 0 days. I'll trade 1 or 2 days to expiration with the 1 minute traffic lights, but 0 days, it's like, I don't like them. They just move too weird. Like, if I were to use the stop loss strategy on 0 days, it would, like, I would scale out and just get stopped. Like, it wouldn't make sense to do it. Like, with the 1 or 2 days to expiration, it gives you a little bit more wiggle room. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I'm done after that Tesla trade. That was fucking nasty. Don't think like that. You can't think like that, man. With traffic lights, do you give out the calls or puts also? Is that something we have to learn? What do you mean? Like the alerts? Like where you see it on the chart where it gets a call or like a C or a P? No, you just see the traffic lights fire off and it's effectively the same like notification as this. But we are gonna, so we have the daily and 4-hour alerts on platform. So as you guys can see right here, we go over to, oh wait, no, it's this one. Red light runner. We got these are the 4-hour traffic light alerts, and you got broken traffic light indicator right here. These are the alerts on the daily. They don't come in until after close because we need to confirm that the traffic light is actually signaling. So we need candle close. Chris, I'm telling you, buddy, hop in. 2 weeks free, dude. We'll change the way you're thinking. Is 2 minute better than the 1 minute? The 2 minute. Okay. So here's the thing. This is what we're going to be talking about in the masterclass on Sunday with you guys. So the 2 minute has a purpose. It's almost like verifying on a longer time frame but it's close enough to the 1 minute. I'll tell you guys. We'll go over it in depth on Sunday. It's like you can use it to confirm, you can use it to keep yourself out of chop, but there's certain things you need to look for, which is what we're going to spend the majority of the lifetime. And I mean, all the 3-year people are included in this too. That's what we're going to spend Sunday doing with you guys. You're hopping in? Let's do it, Jason. Let's do it, my man. 2 weeks free, bud. Plus on 0 days, Theta can get you before the movie even happens. Yeah, like if I'm gonna trade 0 days, I'll do it in the morning if I want to. But I like, guys, remember, if I'm trading 0 days, I'm going in with less than 1% of my account. I'm not fucking around with them. Is there any way to resize the 1348 chart genie so you can see the chart? Are you on mobile? Are you on mobile? If you're on mobile, all you have to do is turn your phone sideways. But we do have an update. We should just push that update to you guys because the genie looks different on mobile. Oh my God. All right. Yeah, I saw that, Gabe. So Gabe just sent me the screenshot of what the 10K account is at now. So this is the other thing. Gabe, can I tell them what we might do if you hit 1 million? Currently on trial, but I can't get any on the links on the left to open. If you can't, if that's an issue, send it in the feedback section. Or if you're already if you've linked up everything and you're on the Discord, send a message in the questions area or the support in the support channel, and they'll help you out with that. Sure. Okay. So this is what we were saying. There's there's two things. So one of the ideas that was floating around was that if Gabe hits 1 million, I have to break my lease and move to Florida. Now I don't know if we're gonna do that, but the second one was that if Gabe hits 1 million, he gets a Ferrari. And I think he wanted the SF90. So that would be pretty cool. Your guess is 473. It's a good guess. Guys, you do realize that I can't pick a number, like any number. Like I could pick 10 million. I could literally pick the number of 10 million and I'd still be worried that Gabe's going to fucking hit it. Like, how can I learn to trade like you? I mean, I've got all those videos out there. I've got the link in the top of the live chat for 2 weeks free to the Trade 1348 platform where you get access to the whole curriculum, all of the private live streams we do, all the amazing tools that we release for retail. I mean, I got you guys every single day, or just come to the streams if you want. But I mean, again, you're actually going to be able to learn from inside the platform. So let me actually send that link to you guys again in here so that you guys have it. Yeah. Also, make sure you guys are watching all the videos that are linked in the description of this one. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting a car too. I don't know. The problem is that if I get a car, I'm not gonna fucking drive it. Plus, I need to be in Florida for the car. So almost if like I broke the lease. See, here's the thing though. I mean, if I broke it, no, because I know what it is to break it. I'm thinking about it. You posted it in Market Talk. All right, guys. If you want to see what Gabe is up, go to Market Talk. If you want to see what the account's at. That's fucking crazy. That's dirty, bro. That is filthy. Yeah. System works, man. System works very well. I had a killer day today, too. Woo. Why SPY going up on lower volume? I mean, it's just buyers outweighing the sellers. New high. Yeah, flash it for a second. 6 weeks with 10K, that's inspiration. Yeah. Isn't that nuts, dude? Was it 310? Was that the number? 310,000? Yeah, 310. That's crazy, bro. It's crazy, man. That's why we do what we do. That's why we do what we do over here. So when does the real selling start? Well, it may not, Daniel. It may not. Just read the chart. Read the chart the way that we've taught you. Okay, on my end right now, YouTube's glitching out, but I think it's fine. I think we're good so far. Spy's going to form a golden cross today or tomorrow, I heard. Yeah, I don't care. Honestly, couldn't give less of a fuck. Gabe is trading fearless and with tip-top knowledge. That's exactly what we try and talk about with you guys. Predefine your risk before you enter. Even if Gabe sizes the fuck up on a position, he knows what his predefined risk is. So let's say that Gabe goes in with I saw that. With a larger percentage of his account. Well, he knows what he's defined. And like remember, the account started at 10 grand. Guess I'll have to jump in. You have a 6-hour drive to MD tonight. I'll start diving in on your drive. That's a great idea. Golden Cross is just the 50 crossing the 200. Woo, 5 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Let's see. Gabe mentioned earlier that autism is a superpower. Stop, bro. Don't be saying shit like that. I mean, it is. Like the experience. Remember, I used to work at that special needs day camp. It was the best experience ever. Like they just view the world differently, man. Site's not accepting your payment. Try a different card or something. Because again, you're not getting charged for 2 weeks. Yeah, I haven't really seen any problems with that today. Make sure you guys, maybe try a different card or something. 50 crossing the 200 is bullish. Yeah, or you're way late on it. But who cares though? Like you're using Swami. Okay, Swami, and I need you to understand this here. You have 2 cousins with autism. Okay, that's fair. I mean, I'm not coming at you, but I'm not coming at you. I'm just saying, relax a little bit. I don't want the live chat going crazy. Swami, here's what you're doing right now, which is a very grave mistake. You're looking at concepts that retail investors love to trade with and trying to make money with them. But you're using concepts that like most people use. Remember what happens to most people in the market, they fail. So why would that make logical sense to do what they're doing? To me, that makes 0 sense. So careful with that. I'm not using the 5,200. Like, let's see. Spy with a little flashy flash down here. Just this 1 minute 200's been a real fucker today. Dude, I can't believe I spilled coffee all over myself today. That's just a L and a half. Gotcha. Thanks, bro. No problem, buddy. No problem. Swami, if you want to hop in with us, we'd love to have you, dude. We'd love to have you. Let's see. Anything going on Twitter right now? No, I don't see anything. Nah, I don't see much coming in here. Let's check the news feed. OpenAI, the artificial intelligence company behind the viral chat GPT bot, says it's working to reduce biases in the system. Okay, that's fine, I guess. What's my opinion on VIX going back to 20? Okay, Daniel. So here's the thing. A lot of people are gonna try and feed this speculative nonsense at you. That's not what traders do, though. We're traders. We're not speculators. That's not what we're doing. I follow the chart, and exactly what the chart tells me is the highest probable move. It's just probabilities and risk management. So if you say, what's my opinion on this going here? One, I'd have to take a look at the chart. Two, even if I do look at the chart, I don't have specific price targets ever. That's not the way I trade. I trade for securing the base hit, scale out, moving stops to break even, and then letting the thing go. That's how I do it. Because you don't know, even if you think you know, you don't. You don't know where things are going to go. So the trade can give you the method can give you a 10% trade, or it can give you a 10,000% trade. But you don't know what it's going to be, no matter what anybody out there actually says. They're like, oh, I know. No, they fucking don't. They have no idea. So all it is putting yourself in those positions to have success, to be able to capitalize on the full move, not speculating on where it's actually going to go. Speculators fail in the market. Be reactive, not predictive. We'll try again later. It's not your card. Interesting. Yeah, that's strange. Let's see. Let's see. Weevil doesn't have. Oh, paper trading? No, it doesn't. I don't think. Try STV's card? No. I'm not gonna pay for your membership. I already give you guys enough free shit. Free trials, free ankles. Come on now. Let's see. The ankles weren't free. You didn't have to pay for them. You just had to like the damn video. I do believe you charge for ankles. That was one time, and it was an accident. I didn't mean to. I was tired. I was probably up the night before on the phone with Gabe till 4 a.m, and then I had to hop on with you guys at 8. I think I'm going to put a down payment on the Ferrari. I don't know. I feel a jazz through your body. Oh, dude. I feel like once you go Ferrari, you're never going back. You're going to hear that fucking roar and just be like, a transaction is a transaction. Okay, fine. You got me. You paid me for ankles one time. It was $5. Like, excuses are not allowed. Gabe, which one are you going to go with? You going to go SF90? Those SF90s grew on me. So did the SF90s. Those are really expensive now, I think. I don't know though. I know the F8s still look kind of clean and black, like matte black. The F8s look kind of sweet in that. Dude, how much are SF90s right now? I thought they were like 800 to like 1.2. Like they really jacked the prices up on those, but they're sexy. Oh, also, Gabe, do you know it's like also half electric, I think? It does some weird shit too. You don't start the car with a button. You start it with like sliding it. Speaking of Ferrari, did you see that last reel I did on Insta? You should drop a few reels in that style. Is it like the flashy stuff? I'd have to take a look. Let me look, Nico. Is it the most recent one? I mean, I could do stuff like this at the playground and make it like wild, but I would need to like hire a photographer, I think. I don't see a Ferrari on it though, yeah? This is just you and like this is just at that club. It's cool. I love the video. Like it's very cool. I just don't understand how this has to do with Ferraris yet. Oh, the confetti. I fucking love confetti. Oh, apparently for the year for the credit card must be 4 numbers. Yeah, so don't Yeah, there you go. I mean, guys, it's not that hard to figure out. No, I don't trade Bitcoin. The reason why I don't trade crypto is because I will never leave this spot. I won't leave. Like that's the problem. I will never leave. Don't judge. Jason, that's not that bad of a mistake. We had people when we were doing these coupon codes, putting the coupon code in the gift card box, not the box that says coupon code. And we were getting questions like, it's not working. It's like, it's because you're not putting it in the place where you're supposed to. Imagine this. Imagine how pissed your girlfriend would be if you put it in the wrong place. But not once, not twice, like 60 times. How would your girl feel? That's how I felt when you were putting the coupon code in the gift card box. That's how I felt. You're putting it in the wrong hole. Sorry, I had to do it. She likes it. Well, you're a lucky man, Tricks. No, she doesn't mind. Shut up, John. You did that one. She wasn't happy. See? Made just over 1% today. Attaboy, Tyler. Attaboy. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Tesla heading to 209 now? Is it really? No, I don't stop. Someone clip that. That'll be for Arvin. That Arvin, you can clip that one. Arvin, wherever you are, somebody go like make sure Arvin has that clip because that's a gem. That's a gem. Also was talking to an old buddy of mine. He lost a lot of money follow trading. Oh, fucking sounds familiar. Everybody does. It's not what you need to be doing. He said he would check it out. Awesome, buddy. Make sure you send him your affiliate code. Yeah, and also for those of you guys that want lifetime payment plan or 3-year to make sure you're getting live master classes, make sure you reach out to Diana, shoot her a message by the end of the day today. You got about an hour left to hop in there for that. And everybody that wants to hop in for free for 2 weeks, there's a link right there. Let's get after it, buddy. Tessie. Do I know what happens to options after reverse split occurs? I know why you're saying this. And I'm going to say it's an all-out free-for-all, and there's probably going to be some bullshit that happens. So if you know there's going to be some bullshit, I probably wouldn't hold stuff into it. But again, it's your money. You can do whatever you want. I'm in. Let's go, Jason. There we go. Let's get you printing with us, buddy. So, shoulders, knees and toes. I hate that song is stuck in my head. I hate it so much. Let's see. What's the 3-year plan? You get live master classes, you get beta access to everything that we're releasing in the future, and you're effectively paying for 19 months, but getting 36. So that 3-year plan is probably the best like bang for your buck in terms of the additional value that you get and the discount. You're just basically paying it up front. Of course, I clipped it. Fuck yeah, Arvind. Send it to me when you've got it. That's gonna be a funny one. Or you could go back to saying the muffin, singing the Muffin Man and Hey There Delilah. Don't get Hey There Delilah stuck in my head, please. Please. Imagine a prepubescent, fat little kid, innocent Vix, going to the golf course trying to make some money when he's 14 years old, and he just starts witnessing dudes smoking crack at 6 in the morning. STV. Yeah, I did say that one. Church is gonna be lit. Oh fuck, I'm upset. I'm missing church this time, dude. You are gonna have some fun. How much is it per month? What do you mean? Winning loser. There is no. It's 1348. The 3-year deal is just one payment of 1348. Can you get the premium charts with the 2-week free trial? Yes, we don't hold anything back from you in the 2-week free trial. You get access to everything. Live streams, curriculum videos. The only thing you don't get is beta access and masterclass. That's for the lifetime payment plan. And well, not beta access isn't lifetime payment plan, but for the 3-year. Yeah, the 3-year is probably the best deal. I mean, it's kind of theft again. I mean, we're giving shit away for you guys like at a wild discount. So if you want it, cool. You want to take a little advantage of us, that's great. You just pay up front, then you're good to go. How long is the 2-week free trial? Gabe, I think I might have to go. Well, here's the thing. I might go to a separate playground this weekend, especially after this week. Like I might, because there's an event that I want to go to. But dude, I'm like fucking spent. I need like a nap today or tomorrow. And it's a 3-day weekend, which kind of sucks, but you know. Like I like when the market's open. The 3-day weekends make me want to trade crypto, but I know that if I make that a habit, I'll just never stop, which is really not what we need. So yeah, Tesla's looking like it wants to get a traffic light to the upside here, but nothing too crazy. Am I going kid sniffing? Yeah, see, that's why the playground sounds really fucked up when I say it. It's not an actual playground. It's like a place, but it's not. So is an actual playground, but it's not what you think it is. Because you're bored out of your mind. I'd paper trade it, Tyler. Just paper trade it. Is it affiliated with Rick? No. No, it is not affiliated with Rick. Because you like those playgrounds? I feel like most people like my playground too. Let's see. There's a strip club near me named The Library. It makes a great cover for some. That's funny, bro. Go to the library. That's funny. Dude, if I ever had a strip club, I'd literally call it like something silly like that. Just like when I buy a dog, I'm going to have it have like a human name. Like Dave or something. Jim. Phil. Like just have it be like a human name. Go to a club and say, "Hi, I am STV. You want some?" She hears STD, walks away oddly. Dude, the amount of people that like hear the abbreviation are like, "Did you just say STD?" I'm like, no, that's not. Dude, my dad will call me STD. He'll just be like, "What's up, STD?" And I'm like, "Thanks, bro." Like, I'm like, "Yep, that's me." There's a bar in your hometown called My Lawyer's Office. Oh, that's awesome. Those names are great. There's some bars around here that are kind of cool. Like one of them's called like the Greatest Bar, I think, or something like that. Like that's not that good. Like Boston in the summer's fun. Boston in the winter's cold as fuck. Cold as fuck, bro. Your cat's name is George. I hate cats. Sorry. I think cats are just inferior animals. Unless you have like a tiger or a tiger. If you have a tiger, then that's cool. But if you just have like a normal fucking cat, I'm like, yeah, no, not for me. Not for me. Chris, Jesus. Chris, were you around the day where I told you guys what I used to say during football games to people and also dumbasses at the bar? You have a liger? Oh, I don't know if Gabe's still around, but Gabe, I have a new business idea. We are gonna breed ligers, kill them, and then we're gonna sell their meat in pelts to people overseas. We're also gonna have a zoo where people can come and look at the ligers before they get slaughtered. But there's a key thing here. You can't be breeding Tigons. You have to make sure that they're ligers because you can't be selling, like we said before, counterfeit ligers. That's got to be illegal. Oh, it's probably very illegal. Why? Because you know how much somebody would pay for a liger pelt? That's cruel. Well, it's a random, wild, illegal business idea that's not actually happening. It's a joke. And canceled. Yep. We were talking about this one day on the stream, and I was like, hey, let's see. The Tiger King. This is how you get canceled. Everybody knows it's a joke. It's not real. People have sent me death threats and been like, I hate you. Look what happens. I'm still here. Arvin, don't clip this. That was from a while ago that we were talking about that. All right, guys. It is. And the suits are knocking at my door looking for kibbles and bits. Fuck. All right, guys. It's 3:01. We're going to be wrapping it up for the day over here. Again, for all you lurkers over here, make sure you guys hop in, get your 2 weeks for free. And then remember, guys, you have an hour left in the day to upgrade with Diana. Get the 3 years. That's probably the best deal for a lot of people. But again, if you want the payment plan, that's also a steal. Both of those upgrades, you guys are going to get a lot of value from those. Make sure you do those by the end of the day, or else you're going to have to wait until tomorrow. So, team, that's going to wrap it up for today over here. Spy slipping. What an amazing day. That Tesla trade was fucking phenomenal. Gabe and I both murdered Tesla. If Gabe actually goes and puts down a down payment on a Ferrari today, that's going to be fucking dope. But team, that's going to wrap it up for us today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We got some short form videos coming out. And if you haven't gone and watched the 4-hour and daily traffic light video, make sure you go watch that. It's on my channel, most recent video. And make sure you go watch Gabe's video too I think he talked mostly about the 1, 3, and 5 minute traffic lights. But team, I'll see you guys later. Peace.